Happy New Year's, everybody. Just wanted to get my truck on here, but video on my truck since I got it back. Had this truck for about a little over 2 years now. My stepdad, he found it inside someone's yard. He just wanted it removed out of his yard, so what he did was offered the truck up. Took an engine out of a van that was used on a military base. Got the engine rebuilt. The engine had 10,000 miles on it. So what I did basically was just put it inside this truck, this 93 S10. Now I made a video on the AC earlier last year in 2020, basically getting that redone, AC redone inside of it. The engine that was in this truck was in pretty bad shape. He basically said he didn't put any work into it. He was just using it to get back and forth. So I got it painted and everything. I had to replace the driver's door on it. And just last week, I just got it out the transmission shop, got the transmission rebuilt. So basically with this truck right here, I'm going to get the inside done. I'm going to get the bench reupholstered, and that's going to be that should be the next thing we do. This little cover right here, the wind cover, I'm going to take that off. I'm going to do a video on that. I'm going to take all of that off, and I'm just going to take my time on it, because as you know, I still have the Cutlass as well. And the only reason I haven't been doing nothing with that was because of COVID. So since COVID happened, we couldn't get the floor pans in to get that finished off. So but basically I have this truck right here, which is the 93 Chevy S10. I call him Billy. He's a great pickup truck. Basically put a lot of work into him, and I'm going to have him around. So we're going to have a couple of things that we're going to do to him to modify, and throw some windshield tint on him, just to, you know, as you can see right now, I got the sun. I mean, it's not no tint on the windshield, but you can see clear through it. So you imagine with me driving how it's looking towards that. Now I have on the side windows in South Carolina, I think the legal tint is 27%, but I got 20% on it, and you can see right through it because of the sun. And if you're from Charleston, you know where I'm at. I just thought this would be a decent backdrop for this video, but I'm going to do some more updates on this truck right here. This is one of my vehicles I have. I got three. I got a Chevy Impala, the last gen body that they're making right now. I got that, and I got this 79 Oldsmobile Cutlass, and I also have this truck right here, which is my workhorse. Yeah, so comment, like, subscribe. If you got an S10, let me know. Tell me about it in the comment section. We're gonna do some more videos on this truck pretty soon. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and peace out.